Hello everyone, welcome back to Forex Master. In today's video we are going to learn about some other special candlestick pattern types to spot, such as Haramis, morning and evening stars. So just to recap, in the last video we covered one last type of candlestick to watch out for, which were shooting star. You should know now how they are crucial candlesticks in the forex market and how they correspond with hammers. Also, we learned about the special kind of candlestick patterns that traders should acknowledge while trading in forex market. So you should know from the previous video what exactly are engulfing patterns, dark cloud covers, and pacing lines. And today we are going to learn about some other candlestick patterns like Haramis, morning and evening stars, and even a little bit about the rare abandoned baby candlestick. So let's start off with Haramis. 4. Harami. Harami in Japanese language means pregnant woman. As a candlestick pattern forms by two candlesticks. One big candlestick, the mother, and one small candlestick, the baby. The bigger one covers the whole or at least the real body of the smaller one. Harami can be seen both at the top of an uptrend or at the bottom of a downtrend. The small candlestick can be formed anywhere along the length of the big candlestick. But the important thing here is that it should be covered by the big candlestick. Okay, here on the right hand side, the picture, it shows this is the mother. This is the mother. I'm describing the pregnant lady. Is here. Big candlestick here, and then a small candlestick here. We will come back to it. The more difference between the size of the two candlesticks, the more effective and potent the signal is. Bearish Harami, top reversal definition. First candle continues the trend. Second candle can be either a green color or a red color. As you can see here, this is the green, this is red. Bearish Harami, bottom reversal definition. First candle continues the trend. The candle can be either red color or green color. Bullish Harami, bottom reversal confirmation. Price trades above the high of the pattern for a bottom reversal. Okay, as you can see here, this is bullish Harami. This, and this is bearish Harami. So I hope you understand what Harami is. Like the dark cloud cover on pacing line, a Harami can work as a reversal signal too. but it has to be confirmed by the next candlesticks, unlike the strong dark cloud cover and the pacing line that don't even have to be confirmed by the next candlestick. Harami cannot be known as a reliable and strong reversal pattern and has to be confirmed by the next candlestick to be considered as a reversal trade setup. If you already have a position and you have some profit in your hand, when you see any of the above patterns, you have to close your trade or at least tighten your stop loss and wait for the market to go ahead. If it changes the direction, you will be safe because you already collected your profit, or your stop loss will protect your profit. And if it keeps on following the same direction, you will make more profit. When the small candlestick in Harami patterns in a doji, the pattern is called Harami cross. Dark cloud cover confirmation. Price trades below the low of the red candle. A long body candlestick followed by a doji which is covered by the long candlestick should not be ignored at all. Let me show you the candlestick. This one is the mother again. This one is the mother. This one is the mother. And this one is the baby. 1 and 2. Here, 1, 2. 1, that's the one. 2, this is 2. 1, 2. Bullish and bearish Harami cross. The bottom picture. The top picture is smaller baby and the mother. Yeah. I hope you understand all about Haramis. Now let's talk about more important candlesticks in the Forex market. There are two types of star candlestick patterns and abandoned baby. Morning star and evening star. Morning star forms by 3 candlesticks. These patterns can be seen at the top of an uptrend or bottom of a downtrend. It's known as a strong reversal signal. The first candlestick should be a bearish candlestick with a considerable body. The second candlestick is a small candlestick that is formed lower than the first one. This candlestick can be bearish or bullish. In fact, morning star is the second candlestick, but we have to have the first and the second candlesticks to form a morning star signal. Okay, here it is on the right hand side picture. This one comes downtrend market. If you see this green circled pattern, it's called morning star pattern. The first one is bearish, second one morning star, followed by bullish candlestick, big one here. There is no space in between these candlesticks, yeah, remember that. That's morning star. So let's go at the top of the right hand corner of the screen. Okay, this morning star, this is morning star pattern, downtrend. First one is bearish, second one is morning star, third one is bullish candlestick. But this time, look here, there is a gap between these three candlesticks here. Yeah, as you can see here. Sorry about drawing my lines. Okay, let's come to evening star now. This red circled here is evening star pattern, as you can see here, bottom picture. Okay, and this is uptrend market, yeah. This is the first one, which is bullish. The second one is evening star, and the third candle is bearish. You go up here, evening star here, uptrend market. The first candlestick is bullish, evening star here at the top, and followed by big bearish candlestick. But this time clearly you can see that now you have a big gap between these three candlesticks. Look, the gap is here between this candlestick and this candlestick. Between this and that, there is a gap in between. So we'll talk about it later. This is uptrend and change the direction of the market. Here, downtrend. When you see this morning star pattern, and then change the direction of the market from downtrend to an uptrend. Okay. The effectiveness of the morning star and evening star patterns as reversal signals is dependent on some special factors that have to be considered. The distance gap between the morning or evening star with the first and the third candlesticks. The bigger gap, the stronger signal. The degree of the coverage of the first candlestick by the third one. The bigger coverage, the stronger signal. Okay, let's have a look. The right hand side of the screen. Here, downtrend market is coming down. Here, this square box is morning star pattern. This one, this one is bearish candlestick. This is morning star bullish candlestick. This one followed by this one, which is bullish candlestick. This one here is a signal that the market will change the direction from downtrend to an uptrend. This is evening star pattern. Evening star pattern. First one, bullish. Second one is evening star of bearish, followed by bigger bearish candlestick. This one here, this candlestick, the bigger one, is a signal of change the direction from uptrend to a downtrend here. Downtrend. The bigger trading volume in the third candlestick than the first one. Sometimes the morning or evening star is a doji candlestick. Again, in this case, the most important thing is the gap between the first and the third candlestick and the doji. Okay, have a look here. This is the first, and this is the third, and this one here is the doji. There's a gap in between these three candlesticks. I hope you understand these patterns very well. Sometimes the morning or evening star is a very small candlestick with small or no shadows. The gap is so big and even none of the candlestick's shadows cover any part of the morning or evening star. This pattern is called abandoned baby, which is a very strong reversal signal. As you can see here, this is abandoned baby. This is abandoned baby. Top. This is the bottom one. And here, this is the bottom abandoned baby, which is, this is downtrend. This is downtrend. There's a breathing area or breathing gap here at the top of the uptrend, this is downtrend, and this is the bottom, as you can see clearly. Because of the high volatility, this pattern is very rare in the forex market and can only be seen in a bigger time frames, but it can be seen in the stock market in a shorter time frames like 1 hour, half an hour, 15 minutes. Abandoned baby can be seen both at the top of an uptrend or bottom of a downtrend. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've learned a lot in this video, and remember to give us a like and subscribe to my channel.